York City. Need some noodles? Go to Little Italy. Need some Chinese food? Go to Chinatown. Want to go shopping? Go to Times Square. And while you're there, go see a Broadway show. I'm not finished yet. If you're feeling patriotic, go see the Statue of Liberty. Go to Central Park to see many people feeding pigeons. What will you see in New York? People. Many, many people. So come to New York. Lacey.
What?
The commercial's over.
Oh.
So visit New York today.
Made by Lacey and Lily.